हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑल ऑफ़ यू इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल। मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल रुद्रा स्टडी सर्कल में आप लोगों का स्वागत है। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू सॉल्व सिस्टम ऑफ नॉन लीनियर इक्वेशन यूजिंग न्यूटन मेथड। सो लेट अस हैव वी हैव टू इक्वेशन एफ ऑफ एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 0, जी ऑफ एक्स वाई इक्वल टू 0. This is the two non-linear equation. So the combinedly we say system of non-linear equation. So how to solve using Newton method? So what we do, we'll write the first formula. Formula we have xk plus 1 equal to xk minus Jacobian k inverse and f of xk yk. So this is the iterative method, and this x, f, j all are the vector. So let me explain. So this x equal to xk plus 1 yk plus 1 equal to xk means this k is the number of iteration, xk yk minus this jk is the Jacobian. Jk inverse means inverse of the Jacobian matrix at the point xk yk, and this is your f xk yk and g xk yk. Okay, so for first iteration let us have k equal to 0. First iteration k equal to 0, so we get x1 y1 equal to x0 y0 minus inverse of the Jacobian matrix at the point x0 y0, and we need to calculate this f and g at the point x0 y0, where x0 y0 are the initial approximation. That is the initial approximation. Okay, for second iteration k equal to 1, so we'll have x2 y2. So for second iteration your x1 y1 will be the initial approximation minus inverse of the Jacobian matrix at the point xk yk Okay, so let us take one problem and try to understand how we apply this formula. So the question is, solve the system of linear equation x square plus xy equal to 6 and x square minus y square equal to 3. So this is a system of non-linear equation, and the initial approximation is given x0 y0 equal to 1. So x0 y0 equal to 1, this is the initial approximation. So what we do, so first we'll have this f x comma xy equal to x square plus xy minus 6 and g of xy equal to x square minus y square minus 3. So what we do, we'll apply the Newton formula. So for that we need first the value of f and g at the initial approximation. So f1 comma 1 equal to minus, so 1 plus 1 minus 6 equal to minus 4, and g1 comma 1 equal to 1 minus 1 minus 3 equal to minus 3. And we need Jacobian matrix. So let me write the first Jacobian matrix. So J equal to J, we have del f by del x, del f by del y, del g by del x, del g by del y. So we can have del f by del x means 2x plus y, fine. Del f by del y equal to x. Del g by del x means 2x. Del g by del y equal to minus 2y. Okay, so the Jacobian J at the point 1 comma 1. So this is the 3 1 2 minus 2, and we need Jacobian inverse J inverse at the 1 comma 1. So if you find the inverse, so we get 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8. If you find out Jacobian inverse, so we get 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8. Now let us try to apply the formula. So for first iteration we have x1 y1 equal to x0 y0 minus j0 inverse and f of x0 y0 and g of x0 y0, fine. So x0 y0 equal to 1 1 minus, and your Jacobian inverse is 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 4 minus 3 by 8, and f and g. So f equal to minus 4 and g equal to minus 3. So if you simplify, so we get 1 1 minus 1 by 8 and 1 by 8. So we get 2.375 and 0.875. Okay, so your x1 equal to 2.375 and y1 equal to 0.875. So this is the solution for the first iteration. Now for the second iteration, we'll have the x2 y2 equal to x1 y1 minus Jacobian inverse at the point x1 y1 and f of x1 y1 g of x1 y1. So if you find out the Jacobian inverse at the point x1 y1 and substitute that x1 y1 and find this one, so we get the solution here. X2 equal to 2.022 and y2 equal to 0.9879. So this is the answer for second iteration. Okay, so x2 equal to 2.02 and y2 equal to 0.9879. So if you see the equation, x square plus xy equal to 6, x square minus y square equal to 3. So your x is 2 because 4 and y is 1. Exact solution is x equal to 2 means 4 plus 2 into 1, 6, fine. X equal to 2 means 4 minus y equal to 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So exact solution of this equation is 2 and 1. So see, in the second iteration your x2 is 2.02, y2 equal to 0.9879. So if you go for further iteration, so this your x value will converging at the 2 and your y value converging at the 1. So we can improve the solution by increasing the number of iteration. So we have done only second iteration. If you go for third and fourth, to or fifth, your solution will converge to 2 and x, and your y converts to 1. Okay, thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks.